That temperature's dropping like a stone. I've just had a decent shot at a barn owl just flying across this rough piece of ground. I didn't see it catch. I saw it come down, but it missed summit. But I think it's a cracking shot. It's absolutely freezing. It's going to be a frost tonight, I think. I'll give it another half an hour, see what else comes out. Well, I've just caught these Muntjac. She's just been stamping at me. This female, she's heavily pregnant. They breed all year round, these Muntjac. No season for them. Plenty of snap for them, so they're at it all the time. Dropping young'uns. This is just a young buck. Just see, he's just got antlers just starting to come. Just in his first year. This is dominant buck. This bit of territory here would have been filming. This is female again. Upsetting her. Yeah, she's barking at me. Upset her 8 this time. This buck, he's not only got these little antlers, but he's got like little tusks inside his mouth. Just see it there. Look careful. There'll do some serious damage then. I've upset her 8 this time. I settled her down. It's just that I've moved camera while I've been filming that young buck in field, and there's a door right out far side, and she caught me moving about. But I got about half an hour's footage of these. She's whining. She's just a whining that there's something here that she don't know. So I've got no camouflage gear on. I'm just stood in field, handheld with a camcorder. Absolutely love it. Just love being out, seeing wildlife on my jacks. It says about 10 minutes of light left. I've had a good half hour with these. Brilliant. And there you go. You'd have never known they'd been there. Lights going now. Absolutely freezing, so I'm home now for a cup of tea.